Happy Saturday. By this time next week, we're gonna be out in Anza Borrego off-roading, and then we're gonna go camping, sleep out of our rigs. Maybe a couple of you are gonna bring tents. Let me know in the comment section if this is your very first time doing something like this. I started these lifted van meets for several reasons. One of them is I'm a car enthusiast that happens to like vans. I think my van is every bit as cool as any Jeep Wrangler or Toyota Tacoma, and I know a lot of you feel that way as well. So that's one of the reasons I started these meets. The other reason is I just want to see you guys get out there and enjoy your vans. I see so many van builds for sale that is advertised as never been out camping, never been off-roading. You guys need to experience this. I know once you guys do this, you're gonna be hooked, and you're just gonna want to get out all the time. And let me know in the comment section if you agree with me on this one. I enjoy driving the van. I actually enjoy being in the van. I just enjoy the van itself more than the actual destination. I just need somewhere to go, but just the van itself, I just enjoy that. Like I said, I'm a car enthusiast that happens to like vans as well. So yeah, that's most of the fun for me, is just enjoying the build. So the drive, hang out in my van, that comes first. The destination is second. So here we go. Here's my van. Very simple. I got everything I need. I got a bed, fridge, electricity. I got power boxes, portable power stations, whatever you want to call it. I got solar batteries under the bed. There's a charge controller right there, space cooler. Don't have my heater in here yet. I'm gonna pick up some propane tanks. The weather's looking really good. It's looking like a high of 80 and a low of high 40s, so perfect weather. So I'm gonna need my space cooler and my heater. Brooke wanted one of these, so I bought her one. It boils water really fast with this little canister here. I need to pick up some more probably. But yeah, she really wanted one of these, so I just bought that. So what gear are you guys bringing? This is also a trip where you guys get to experience all the cool gear you bought and go do some off-roading in your lifted van or 4x4 van, whatever you guys bring. Like I said, I love where we're going. It's one of my favorite spots, Anza Borrego, but I'm looking forward to just enjoying my van build. There it is right there. I know there's gonna be a couple of full-timers out there. So I'm headed out Thursday. Actually, me and Brooke are gonna do something Thursday. We're gonna arrive at Flying J Brawley Friday night, and then we're not gonna leave Anza Borrego until Monday. So we're gonna be there a couple days. We're gonna be on the road for a couple days. But after the meet's over, for you full-timers coming out to this trip, can hang out at Anza Borrego for as long as you want. Go back to Slab City, maybe sleep out in the Salton Sea. Possibilities are endless for you guys who are full-timers. Hang out at Anza, Salton Sea, Slab City for as long as you want. All right, everyone, looking forward to seeing my friends again, and looking forward to meeting a lot of you for the very first time and seeing your van builds. This is gonna be like an off-road show of vans. It's gonna be really cool seeing everyone's ideas. I keep saying, I don't know what the best part is. Everything's fun. But yeah, I really look forward to seeing you guys and seeing what builds you guys come up with. All right, guys, see you guys in about a week.